So my grandson said he wanted us to do a video today, so we're going to a place called Crandalls. It's a bit noisy, maybe windy. This is a very popular spot where you get local foods and stuff, so let's go in to see what they have. Yeah, so we are on close to Prospect Reef, Crandalls. So I was hoping I'd be able to get some footage inside of the restaurant so you can see what it looks like, but it was very busy and the area is a bit kind of small, you know, kind of congested. So I decided against you know, doing a footage inside. So my grandson, he chose, he had like a saltfish patty and a piece of chicken, as you could see, and I had a piece of chicken, what we call leg and thigh, but they call it a piece of leg. Right, and this section here, I really was hoping to do like a review when I played the clip. There was no audio, so I'll do my review here. The chicken was a bit salty in my mind, and the patty, they normally will make like saltfish patty, beef patty, chicken patties, and when they what is it in the showcase is all sold out, they will make a fresh batch. You always have a fresh batch of these things being made. They make like a local what we call Johnny cake, also known as fried bacon in the Caribbean, right? I did a video about that too, so you could check it out, and also with the saltfish patty. You could get the Johnny cake served with a slice of cheese or maybe some scrambled eggs that morning, or just get a plain Johnny cake. Yeah, I was telling you about the chicken. The chicken was a bit salty for me. I have a problem with that in the BVI. Anytime I buy chicken outside, sometimes I find it's a bit too salty. And I remember when I first came to the BVI, I will tell them a piece of leg, like medium drumstick, and I was surprised to see this big piece of chicken in my plate. They just have the leg and thigh, and that's how they sell it, you know. Just one little thing I wanted to say before I go about the saltfish patty. When I first arrived to the BVI, I saw it in the local bakery, and I couldn't understand, you know, it sounded really appalling to me, saltfish patty. But when I really tasted it, it tastes really, really good, you know, saltfish patty. Again, I must check out my recipe to see how it's made. I should have had a saltfish patty this morning with my grandson instead of having chicken. I think I would have enjoyed that better. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video with me and my grandson this morning. If you did, click on the thumbs up button, leave a comment for me, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And don't forget to click on the bell next to the subscribe button. In doing so, you get a notification each time I upload a new video. Okay, thanks so much for watching. Take care. Bye-bye. It's my intention to do more videos like this where I go about the BVI, Tortola, as long as I can, to find restaurants that sell local dishes and so forth. Look out for those. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.